Hi everyone, my name is Deep Goel. I am a mechanical engineer. Mechanical engineering is basically to understand the universal laws and devise and design things and products for human comfort, which are tangible, which can be felt, which can be weighed, which have a mass, which have a weight. All the other streams like electrical, electronics, computers and various other streams, they always assist in producing and improving the performance of a mechanically engineered product. When a need is felt, the first step is to jot down the requirements of that need. Once you jot down that, it goes to the designers. After designing, it goes into manufacturing of a prototype first. So the quality control engineers, they monitor the quality of the product, and the production engineers see to it that the things are produced economically. Make you understand mechanical engineering in a better way, why don't you assist me in designing this particular project? Design is something related to creativity. When you are in creation, the inspiration that you get is from nature. For example, like the best designed pliers derive their inspiration from the alligator's mouth. To make a simple solution is the most complicated thing in this world. Someone is enjoying to create things using his ingenious mind, then he would love to be in design. If you love to be with the machines, you can be on the manufacturing side, you can go to the production side, and if you love to control the quality, you can go to the quality control and management systems. Mechanical engineering is not the destination, it is a route. It is actually a conditioning of a mind so that you can perform better in whatever you do in your life. I am here to immerse you in the world of mechanical engineering.